Welcome to Casa de Acero. In this video, we'll walk you through how our state-of-the-art steel framing system works. Our company is based in Liberia, Costa Rica at Solarium. To get started, we require your architectural plans, typically as an AutoCAD DWG file. Our engineer inputs the data into our system, which generates a precise millimeter-perfect framing plan with zero material waste. Next, the plan is sent to our factory for fabrication. Our factory is capable of producing the complete framing for a 4,000 square foot home in just 8 hours. The steel frames are pre-assembled in our factory to streamline and accelerate on-site installation. The frames are loaded onto a truck and delivered to your job site ready for installation. Once unloaded at the construction site, our frames can be installed directly onto any type of concrete base, whether it's a flat foundation slab, pier footings, or fiber cement sheeting. The frames screw together, and each section has a unique identifier to make the process quick and easy. Fiber cement sheets are laid over the second floor joists to create a solid base for the upper steel framing. The frames are wrapped in a weather-resistant membrane to keep water and wind out. Fiber cement wall tiles are screwed directly to the steel frames, or you can optionally use Grandex waterproof drywall. Our system can produce any roof design, from flat slabs to complex slopes, integrated gutters, and multi-pitch configurations. The roofing is covered with sandwich panels that are screwed directly to the steel frames. Our system calculates and pre-punches all necessary holes for electrical and plumbing directly into the frames. For insulation, we use stone wool. It's fire resistant, provides acoustic insulation, and is a safe, non-toxic material, free from harmful chemicals. For the interior walls, we use Grandex panels to enclose the insulation and create a strong, fire-resistant, waterproof, and humidity-resistant base for finishing. The shower area is sealed with a water-resistant membrane to protect against moisture and leaks. For finishing, any traditional material can be used, such as ceramic tiles, laminate LVT flooring, double-glazed windows, and sliding doors. All materials featured in this video are available for purchase through our material store at www.costamaterial.com. Our framing system is resistant to fire, earthquakes, tornadoes, mold, and rust. Contact us to use our framing system in your project.